Beeline out of here. Unless it's just going for it.
He's swimming towards it, dude.
Come on, dude. He's coming right at us. Can't see him now. Damn ball don't float no more. Oh, we just went past it. Come on, baby.
Here he comes. Leave it there, he's coming to it. Oh, he does not want that, dude.
Closer and we'll get him. Here he comes.
He's cautious, it must be a big one. Oh, he smells that squid. How can you not eat a squid? Nah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh.
Wait, I can see the squid still. Maybe I need a bigger squid. There he is. Come on, come on.
Fish on.
Just a little